my name is Sheryl Schwartz. I'm a long-standing institutional investor, and over the course of my career since 1997, I've committed approximately $16 billion to private equity funds, co-investments, mezzanine, and timber. Currently, I'm the Chief Investment Officer of ALTI, and we're creating private equity products for the individual investor. The addition of retail to the private market will accelerate trends that are already taking place, such as the growth of the asset class, the increase of product lines, the changing dynamics of different investors in the asset class, the increased regulation, increased transparency, increased governance. All of these trends will only be accelerated, particularly if the inclusion of retail leads to defined contribution plans being able to invest in the asset class, which will also, that indirectly include retail, but it will open up the market to a whole nother segment. So the key challenges are creating a product that both meets the needs of the retail market and also meets all the regulatory requirements. So the retail market wants products that have more liquidity than traditional private equity, although they'll still be illiquid, have easier subscription and onboarding process, have access to information that is standardized across investments, and there's a lot of education that will be needed for the individual investor to get into the asset class. I think the key benefit is that the average individual will have access to a new asset class that, while it has liquidity issues that mutual funds do not have, but in exchange for the increased illiquidity, will have higher return potential and diversification benefits to their portfolio. Well, the long-run impact of retail entering the market will mean the GPs will have the GPs who can access it will have significantly more capital options. They'll also have different reporting and transparency requirements. However, to access the retail market, you need to have a different sourcing network. And currently, the larger firms are scaling up to access that. And the smaller firms, it will take them longer to access that. And also, they'll probably have to partner with people in order to access it. So I just read a book while I was on vacation written by Rabbi Dan Cohen of Stamford, Connecticut about, the name of the book is What Will They Say About You When You're Gone? And it talks about how to build a legacy in your life and how to have an impact in your life in small everyday things that you're doing. And it's a short book, it's a quick read, and it leaves you really thinking about a lot of things.